Hi, I'm John Holden, and welcome to Earth. We're starting off our program here in Los Angeles, California, and the world-famous Santa Monica Pier. You know, millions of people come here each year to enjoy the sand and surf, but millions of people also means gridlock traffic congestion. Well, now there's a faster, much more green way to travel, all the way from downtown LA to the beach. In the early 1900s, the iconic red cars of the Pacific Electric Railway took travelers from Los Angeles to the beach of Santa Monica. After it ended, this busy travel corridor often became a congested nightmare for drivers trying to get to work or relax by the sea. But the 2016 opening of the Metro Expo rail station in downtown Santa Monica changed all that, bringing rail passengers all the way to the sea for the first time in over half a century.
We immediately saw the demand, the desire, and the need for this type of transit because the crowds were incredible from day one.
And this greener way to travel and live is now taking a much more important role in building our nation's infrastructure. Sustainability has become a key component for the positive impact it can have on the surrounding community.
Sustainability has been very important to LA Metro for years. In fact, we are a leader in using sustainability as we build out our transit projects. We've done things like use recycled building materials when we build our projects, reclaiming stormwater and capturing it so it doesn't flow into the ocean. And also when we build our buildings, building them with energy efficiency in mind.
So when it came time to complete the final leg of the Expo line to Santa Monica, Metro partnered with a construction company with a global commitment to sustainability and green building. With over 200 LEED certified projects, including offices of New York's Empire State Building and the Ascend Amphitheater in Nashville, the first outdoor amphitheater in the U.S. to achieve LEED Gold certification. Skanska USA believes that no matter how big the project, it can be built green.
Everything we do at Skanska comes back to our purpose. We build for a better society. Our employees make a tangible, positive impact on the world. Think about it. We deliver hospitals, schools, entertainment venues, transportation systems, electric grids, all the things that are important to a vibrant community.
In this case, it was the building of the final Phase 2 extension of the Metro Expo line to Santa Monica, the very first Envision Platinum light rail line, and a pioneering effort that has helped establish green as the norm in many markets nationwide.
It's a great honor. You know, we loved being the first, and now we're the first in the Envision certification program. It's been a long time coming. You know, the infrastructure projects didn't have a sustainable rating system, and Envision now provides that. It's very important to us as a company. You know, we like to really emphasize sustainability, local jobs, local people, the community, sustainable communities. It's what we build, how we build them in conjunction with the people that live in the areas that our projects are being built.
The Expo Phase 2 is a 6.6-mile extension of the 80-station Metro Rail system in West LA, adding 7 new stations, 7 bridges, and 14 crossings along the same path as the old Pacific Electric Railway, from the Phase 1's existing station in Culver City to downtown Santa Monica. So it used to be a 2-hour gridlock journey for commuters to and from the downtown Los Angeles station is now a relaxing 45-minute ride. You simply jump on board the Metro here at the Culver City station. And 7 stops later, get off here at the Santa Monica station, where you're only steps away from the 3rd Street Promenade, the famous Santa Monica Pier, and of course the beautiful Pacific Ocean.
There's also been a great economic boom here in the area where the city's responded with a brand new Colorado Boulevard. You can see the restaurants, apartments, and hotels being built as we speak behind me. It's really done a lot for the neighborhood.
And this commitment to sustainability is evident at each of the 6 stations along the way to downtown Santa Monica. From historic railroad bridges restored at the Palma Station and diverse landscaping at the Westmont Rancho Park, 26th Street, Bergamot, and a bike sharing path at the 17th Street Station. And all along the route, Metro's public art program displays original art at each station.
Simply by the transit presence of a station gives a neighborhood an opportunity to revitalize in a way that it wouldn't otherwise have.
From the porous pavement at Bundy to the native plants you see here behind me, this project is sustainable from every aspect along the alignment.
It's really helping the communities grow and leaving a lasting project that really the community that we're building in can benefit from.
The first train to the sea in over half a century brings a lot of good things to commuters in Southern California. An appreciation for art and nature, a commitment to sustainability, but most of all, it's just fun to not being stuck in traffic.